Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever thought about trading cryptocurrency but felt overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down how to trade crypto in a way that's super simple for beginners. Let's dive in. First things first, what is cryptocurrency trading? It's buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even smaller coins to make a profit. Prices move fast, so there's potential, but it's important to start smart. Step 1. Learn the basics. Crypto prices are driven by supply, demand, news, and market trends. Before you trade, spend a little time understanding terms like wallets, exchanges, and market orders. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. Just know enough to feel confident. Step 2. Choose a reliable exchange. Think of an exchange as your trading platform. Popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. They're beginner-friendly and secure. Compare their fees and features, then sign up for one that feels right. Most exchanges require ID verification, so have that ready. Step 3. Set up a wallet. A crypto wallet stores your coins safely. Exchanges often have built-in wallets, but for extra security, consider a software wallet like Trust Wallet, or even a hardware wallet like Ledger. Only keep what you're actively trading on the exchange. Step 4. Fund your account. Start small. Only use money you can afford to lose. Most exchanges let you deposit cash via bank transfer or card. Once your account's funded, you're ready to trade. Now, let's talk trading. There are two main ways beginners start: spot trading and holding. Spot trading is buying a coin at a low price and selling when it goes up. Holding or hodling means buying and keeping coins for the long term, hoping they grow over time. For example, if you buy Bitcoin at $50,000 and it hits $60,000, that's your profit. A quick tip: don't chase hype. Research coins before you buy. Check their website, team, and community buzz on platforms like X. Tools like CoinMarketCap can show you price trends and market data to help you decide. Step 5. Manage risk. Crypto's volatile, so never put all your money in one coin. A good rule is to only risk 1 to 2% of your trading budget on a single trade. Also, set a stop loss. This automatically sells if a coin drops too far, protecting you from big losses. Finally, keep learning. Follow crypto news, join communities, and practice with small trades. Trading gets easier with experience, but patience is key. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Focus on steady progress. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions below and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy trading.